Hey, let me show you tips and tricks for the Beats Solo 4 headphones. And first of all, I want to show you some controls because we can find a few of them. And we can actually make controls by using the left headphone, by using this button or this outside frame. And first, that's very obvious, we can click once on the play button to play or pause media, just like this. But if you are going to quickly tap on it 2 times, you are going to change the song. I mean, you are going to turn on the next song. But if you are going to click on it 3 times quickly, you are going to turn the previous song. And also you are able to increase volume by clicking right here on this frame above the Beats button. So you can volume up or volume down, just like this. You can hold it or simply keep tapping. It works for lowering volume and increasing volume. And what is really useful that we can also fast forward song by clicking once and holding. Take a look. There we go. Now we just fast forward. But we can rewind by clicking twice, and for the third click you will have to hold. So 1, 2, 3, hold, and now we are going to rewind. There we go. And longer you hold it, the fastest it will be. So now also I want to show you that you can actually use these headphones with the wired connection. So as default, you got cable in the box, so it means that you can connect these headphones without Bluetooth connection, for example to your PC or to the smartphone with audio jack. And also we can find here the spatial audio that is actually available on all iOS devices. So you will have to open the control center, click and hold volume slider, and here you can find spatial audio fixed or head tracked. You can simply switch between it. If for some reason you cannot click here, it means that the spatial audio is not activated on your iOS device. And now when you are connected, when you go to the settings on your iOS device, you can actually find your Beats Solo 4 right here, and you can also find controls for calls. So when you press once, you are going to answer the call. When you press once, when the call is actually activated, you will be able to mute or unmute your microphone. And when you press twice, you will actually end the call. And also we can add this headphones into the Find My application to actually locate them if you lost them. And if you want to track the battery, I will highly recommend you to add, for example, this widget from this library that is available right here. And it actually gives you opportunity to check battery level every time, because as default you will have to actually navigate into the settings, open your headphones, and here you can check it. So yeah, that will be all. This is actually all tips and tricks for the Beats Solo 4, or maybe one more, I just forgot about this. So when you want to actually boost, for example, bass, use the sound equalizer basically, you can do this, but only when you are using your streaming services. So in my case, when I'm using the Apple Music, I have to open the settings, input EQ phrase, and then I can actually pick my equalizer settings of the Apple Music, and now I can actually change the sound of my Beats Solo 4. Of course, it also works for Android if you are using like YouTube Music, Spotify, Tidal, or any other any other streaming services. So you can actually change this sound mode thanks to the equalizer of built-in applications. And that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.